Come join us as we go RVing, cruising, and visiting Disney. Welcome to Retired Life Ollie Style.
This week, the Ollies are on our way to one of our favorite places, Walt Disney World.
Hey everybody, we are getting
ready to go to
Disney World. Yep, we're back, y'all. It's October, it's fall, and we're getting ready to go to Epcot and enjoy some of the Food and Wine Festival. We're excited, and we're going to take you along with us. So get ready for a ride, get ready for the trip. We're getting ready to check in. We'll show you the Grand Floridian. It's going to be the first time we're staying there.
That's right. This is not an RV trip. This is a Disney trip this time.
Right. And we're back, and Disney's back, and we are excited. So stay tuned, because in the snap of a finger, we're going to be at the Grand Floridian.
There goes the Disney bus.
Welcome to the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian. This area is located in the Magic Kingdom Resort area. It's part of the Disney Vacation Club. This resort opened in October 23rd, 2013, about 8 years ago. It's all Victorian themed. There are villas here, 147 rooms with no suites. Look how pretty it is. The villas continue the theme of the Victorian-era Palm Beach resorts, found in the Grand Floridian, while catering to the needs of the DVC guests. The expansion makes the Grand Floridian the second monorail resort to receive the DVC edition, following Bay Lake Towers, at Disney's Contemporary Resort, which opened in 2009. The villas also include a leisure area, including a fire pit, adjacent to the spa's resort, a covered walkway that links the villas to the main building. Villas and studios include split bathrooms alongside theming to Dumbo and Mary Poppins. It is a great resort. Third floor.
I need to do something with that mirror.
It's supposed to look like that.
Oh, is it?
Gold dusted.
I think you're gold.
It's $13.21. Here we are. 1321.
I'm gonna try the app.
Well, that did it, so.
Go. You didn't turn the handle.
Oh, it's so pretty. And it smells great. Let it go. Oh, nope, it doesn't have that kind of refrigerator. She's right.
Oh, they don't have to.
Just got in. I'm gonna unpack, show you how, guys, how simple it is when you use packing cubes. In this room, we have a Deluxe Studio. So in this room, everything is under the bed to keep everything nice and neat. That's it. I've unpacked. Easy peasy, lemon breezy. Let's do this side real quick. So all my shoes, one more packing cube. That's gonna be tough. That's not a really good design, but we'll put that one in here. And again, I'm unpacked, so let's do shoes, and that's it. Hope you guys get a chance to use packing cubes. I highly recommend it. It's really easy. When you get where you're going, you just put everything in there. And then when you're done, you put your dirty clothes back in the packing cubes, keep things separate. And it's easy to unpack when you get home too.
Now I hope everyone out there noticed that Everett has no place to put his clothes. She took all the drawers.
Well,
but that's okay. I live out of my suitcase.
Everett doesn't unpack.
You're right.
So that's
I don't.
why.
I live out of my suitcase.
Yes.
I thought I'd just throw that in there.
Yes, that's very true.
All right, you good?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, next one. Dawn will show you around the room.
All right, guys. What do you say we go check out the room? So like I said, we are on a Deluxe Studio. This is the lock-off. So if you had a 2-bedroom, that would be the entrance to the other bedroom with the living room. So that's a 1-bedroom over there. This would be your 2nd bedroom. We kind of store things here. And right away, I will show you the bathroom. So it's got a really nice shower. Nice walk-in, overhead. Pretty tiles. And then you get the Disney amenities, which we always love those. And then we have the mirror. Neat thing about this mirror though, guys, watch this. So as you're getting ready in the morning, you can watch TV, watch the news or whatever it is, cartoons or whatever you're into while you're in the shower. Here's the remote control that comes with it. It's all sanitized for your convenience. Isn't that cute? All right, let's shut that off. All right, well, there we go, shut it off. Okay, and then they have a little side mirror for the makeup for the ladies or the men for the shaving or whatever you're into. And then here's another shower and a tub with more amenities. Now, how cute is that? So if you have a couple of people in the room, you can get dressed and ready, commode, at the same time. I love that. It shuts, so you can have a little privacy. Nice heavy wood door. Isn't that cute? Now, I think this is one of the only hotels that have this. Nice closet for you to hang your stuff. You can see I've already unpacked as I began to show you. It comes with 2 robes. I bring my own robe, but it comes with 2 robes. There's Everett's suitcase. place for your shoes, in-room safe, extra pillows, extra blanket, little kitchenette. Now this coffee maker is a Keurig. This is ours. This does not come with the room. I just wanted to share that in case some of you come and say, well, where's my Keurig? And I think there's a familiar face over there. And this is a queen size bed. Little living area. There's your TV. And one nice thing, so if you come with a kid, look at this. How cool is that? Now, when our kids were growing up, they didn't have these. But now they do. So this is something really neat. Our grandson stayed with us one time at the Polynesian, and he was able to sleep on it. He loved it. Put it away. There you go. And then we have our balcony. Easy peasy. Oh, how nice. It's really hot out today. So they got a shot of the monorail over there. And right across the way here is where we checked in. We came through the hallway right up the stairs on the 3rd floor. Over there is the Polynesian and the wedding pavilion. And to my right is Magic Kingdom, which we're getting ready to go to Epcot. We're going to take the monorail over. Hopefully it's running. Last time we were here, the monorail was not running to Epcot. So we're going to find out about that. And this bed here, this couch, also pulls out into a queen size bed. So there's plenty of sleeping space for a family of 5. Parents, 2 kids, and a little one over there. It's enough room for a lot of people. So I guess that's it. Anything you want to add?
No, it's very nice. First time staying at the Grand Floridian.
Oh, right, it is.
Yeah,
yep.
It's our first time ever staying here.
So let's see. We've been to Old Key West, because that's our home. Oh, first of all, let's say we're Disney Vacation Club members.
Right.
So that's one reason we get to stay at all the different resorts. So Old Key West is our home resort.
Right.
And we stayed at the
Saratoga Springs.
Saratoga Springs, Polynesian, Contemporary. Yeah, remember we stayed there last fall.
Oh. Okay.
Or was it February? I don't remember.
Okay. The Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Oh, yeah, Animal Kingdom. Grand Floridian.
Now Grand Floridian, and
we stayed at the French Pavilion.
French Quarter.
Mm-hmm. And we also stayed at Beach Club.
Beach Club, yeah. Yes,
and what's the name that they redid?
We stayed at
Coronado Springs.
But we also stayed at the Boardwalk.
The Boardwalk, and of course Fort Wilderness.
Yes.
So quite a few places, and we keep trying. Oh, Wilderness Lodge.
Wilderness Lodge too. Yeah.
So we keep trying different resorts because we can. So if anybody's interested in being a DVC member and wants to know how to do it, and if we enjoy it, leave us a comment and we'll tell you how we did it and how much we enjoy it. I think it's one of the best decisions we ever made.
I can tell you right now, we enjoy it. We've been a member since 1997 and still going strong.
I think he's telling our age. But anyway, so yeah, no, he's right. We've been members for a long time, and I don't think we regret 1 minute of it. And I would do it all again. As a matter of fact, we're trying to figure out now maybe if we should get some more points. That's always a question when we come. But that's enough. So we're going to say goodbye.
Yep.
We're out on our way to Epcot.
Epcot.
See ya.
All right, so here we are at the Grand Floridian. We're on our way to Epcot. But I just want to show you guys quickly the outside of
the vacation
club part of the Grand Floridian.
And I think our room is right there, right above that palm tree.
I think it is too.
Yep.
Yep. There's the check-in entrance. Monorail's right above us. Self-parking is right over there. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but we just parked it over there, and now we're headed over to the monorail.
We'll show you guys the pool later. Oh, watch out. Hello. There's the monorail. folks, this is the main entrance to the Grand Floridian Hotel Resort. Absolutely stunning inside. Look at that. Go do some shopping. Oh, Disney Dad, that's cute. I like that. Hello, good, how are you? Oh, Disney Mom. No? We're on the second floor where you catch the monorail, and up here is the store. Aw, cute stuff for little kids, right? Isn't that cute? And there's the pool. We're gonna go over there. You can see the boat and part of the Polynesian. Oh, another Spirit jersey. I love these. All right, y'all. All right, let's go hop on the monorail. Bye. Now it's time for us to get together. See y'all.
See you, everybody.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Trevor, I'm following you.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content
The future is